I'm quite interested in this area. My standard kasi for recommending to clients, is it a property that I myself would buy? Realtor Mike here. I'm here at Verdea at Southmont Estates. It's an Alveo community, part of the Ayala Premium brand here in Southmont. Southmont is an estate from New Valley, the giant New Valley sign, siguro 5 kilometers up Santa Rosa, Tagaytay Road. A joint venture between Ayala Land and Cathay Land. May access doon, may access din through Calax. So I like this particular village. I purposely made the trip here. Since maliit lang siya, 20-25 hectares I think. So it is the Verdea. Yan. That's really a bit quite small. Parang Mirala lang yan. Mirala is 30 hectares versus let's say Trevilla is 60 hectares, Benari 74 hectares, Centera 70 rin yan, Abrio is 60. So this is quite compact, maganda. Meaning, mas konti kayo magkakapit-bahay. Yun ang gusto ko dito. And another thing, it's medyo mataas na siya, 270, 280 meters above sea level. Tapos yung Calax exit, although hindi ko alam kung saan, merong magkakaroon ng access, na better raw siya than going to, well, both sides sa Santa Rosa, Tagaytay Road access. Santa Rosa, Tagaytay Road access naman, yung 5 kilometers na yon, 5-6 kilometers, nasa New Valley ka na, sa commercial area. And then, there are just two Alveo communities, One is Hillside Ridge, I think. And then there's another one, Lanewood naman, Ayala Premier. So mas konti yung communities dito. Chiang Kai-shek is here, a very big campus, possibly Filipino-Chinese mga market. And anything Filipino-Chinese real estate around an area, mataas ang resale value when they appreciate over time. Right now, it's still undeveloped. A pre-development, I'll give you there's a nice view of Laguna Lake. Tagaytay Ridge yun and he's makiling. So I'm here at the viewing deck at the mga amenities. So if you're interested, I'm quite interested in this area, in this particular community. May standard kasi for recommending to clients, is it a property that I myself would buy, would consider buying? Ito, Verdea, I like rin yung sa Lipa, South Palm Grove. Yan yung mga personal picks ko in terms of Alveo communities. And ang maganda rin dito, although na price per square meter, a bit higher siya than secondary market. Well, dito walang secondary market compared to New Valley. May mga payment terms na medyo generous pa. And especially these times, although ang horizontals are not really affected by the so-called middle market condo crisis in Metro Manila. The developers are very generous sa payment term. Maganda. So time to buy is now. Just like when I bought my first Ayala property in Ferndale year 2000 or 2001. Crisis na Kaya haba-haba ng payment terms. Kaya ako nakabili at that time. So if you have spare resources and you're interested in this area, let me know. I can email you the details. Pasyal tayo dito. Okay, so yun muna. Realtor Mike saying, stay safe. Stay in faith. Thank you for the privilege of your time. God bless.